decided to make this video of what's in my bag. I made one probably like 2 years ago or so. I got pretty good feedback and requests to make my part 2, which I haven't done in like 2 years or so. So I'm actually gonna start all over with what's in my bag because I have a lot of new things and added stuff. The first video was mainly educational as far as colors and like brands and stuff, you know, your kit, makeup, and like what you want to invest in. Yeah, it's actually a really informational video. A lot of it took away from what's in my bag, but it's a great informational video and you should check it out before you invest in your makeup. Yeah, this is mainly why I want to make this video, is to show you what's in my bag. And today I'm going to be doing just a root touch-up. So I have tons of things that I carry around with me, but I'll take things out. I have everything all set and organized, and for different days like weddings, photo shoots are pretty much the same thing. I have to bring everything, like my brushes, makeup bag, which is not here. A lot of things I have to switch around, and I could show you also how I just kind of organize that, just make it easier for me in my business, just to have everything prepared. But anyways, so this is a Zuca bag. Great, I love it. I recently got a bigger, this is Zuca Sport. I got a bigger, let me see, like the bottom, a bigger, whatever it's called, the bigger bottom part of this. So this is my soil bag. You can see it says soiled. So I know there's like makeup wands and lip brushes, disposables that are in here. It's just really quick for me, but usually these are my reusable stuff, like combs and such, that I'll leave in here and I'll clean later. As far as like bags, like to throw away, if I have like tons of foils or hair I need to pick up, I have little doggy bags. So I found like this little zip up doggy bag. It's not labeled as a doggy bag. Even these little bags aren't labeled, which is awesome. It's just, it's compostable, which is nice, which is what I really wanted. I have my little ring light here for my phone. Some little accessories, like just remotes for my ring light that I'm also using. I'll take that. This portion of my bag, I'll carry mostly electronics. I'm also using my extension cord for my ring light right now. I have this really cool fan that I'm so obsessed about. Got it from Amazon. So it pops up like this, and it also gets taller, way taller. So cool. And there's also a remote for it. It gets taller than this, like it's like a stand-up thing, but it's a little remote. This is all my electronics, and I'll also have my I can't think right now. Sometimes I'll carry like 5 different developers, so I make sure it's in a smaller like travel bottle. And I got this from Amazon. It has a little label, little labeler thing, and all my colors I use is mainly Goldwell. This is everything that I'm needing for today, just for a touch-up and a haircut. So that is the bottom half. There is also I also have my you have to help me, you guys, because I cannot think today. You know, color protectors. My coloring cape. This is so awesome. I love how there's like a zipper right here, but it also extends out, and you could also close this extension with another zipper. I'm not gonna do that right now because I have an appointment to get to. So that's that. I also have sanitizer labeled as well. And on this side here is my my blow dryer, because I'm a mobile hairstylist and makeup artist, so my business is a mobile service. Little blow up thing for the neck when you're laying down on the sink. I have not yet used this, so you know, it could be a good thing. I've used this a couple of times. Don't judge me. My clients laugh at me when I pull this out because, yeah, I wash their hair in the sink, under the faucet, or their shower. But the problem is there's not an extension sometimes, and sometimes it's literally like a sink, like a short little spout. So this goes over everything, like anything. This little like silicone business there, and then yeah, it just goes through here, and then this is just a little like extra lock that you could just hang on to this side, and it works. Like, this has saved my life so many times. This is awesome. Everything that I got is mainly from Amazon, just 'cause it's so convenient and easy to find. This little pocket, I have like instructions for my fan or for my ring light. Just things that I may need, just random stuff. But I do have like ointments, band-aids, like a little first aid kit thing, because sometimes I'll cut myself or burn myself with an iron. I'll cut myself with my scissors, and sometimes one time I did very lightly like skid against a client's arm, which I'm not happy about, but she was okay. Just a little skid, and this definitely came in handy, especially to have a little first aid kit. Okay, now to the other side, random stuff, but I have a pen. Always need a pen. Saw it at Walmart. It's a counterfeit pen. Somebody gives me 100 and it's fake. I could like tell if it's fake or not. I've never used this. I always forget I have it. Yeah. I think that was an impulse buy, but it's fine. And I just have tape. You never know. You might need tape. I do need to get some safety pins, because brides always need like safety pins for some reason for their dress, the fitting. But yeah, I just have tape just in case for anything. And also, if I'll have the schedule up for wedding appointments, just so everyone could see themselves too, just get familiar of time. Oh, and I have a mirror. Always have a mirror. Then I have my little folder. So this is just, I just have my pricing here in case there's any family or friends around and such that just want to take a look at that. I have a new client hair waiver form. Acknowledges anything that I'm not responsible for, or so-and-so. There's a color release form. This takes care of, like, you know, if my client has any allergies or any hyperpigmentation, any concerns that I should know about, and yeah, so just things like that. Pretty much the same thing. I'll use this one though for more of like weddings, hair and makeup. This one's for strictly makeup application for like any allergies they may have, any photo permissions, if I'm able to take photos of them and use it for any social media purposes. It's the general liability waiver form, just in case. It's just really good to have all these forms to, you know, just protect yourself and your business, because it's possible to be taken advantage of, and yeah, just not fun things could happen. These are like bridal contracts, so anything that I'm currently doing will be on this page. Packages, and this is my wedding checklist. So this is like everything I have to do. Like, this is all the contracts that I have to send and other things that happens with that, and then the trial, everything that happens with the trials, and all the little details that I personally don't like to miss. Making sure the bride is prepped on what to expect, and so she feels comfortable. I really want to make sure my brides feel very comfortable and taken care of because it is their big day and they have lots of stuff going on. So just want to make sure they're very comfortable and with me as their artist. The day of, I have little details like take up the appointment menu, just like little things like that. Bringing bridal contract and the policies, and then just attaching business cards, a thank you card, and little discounts for like haircuts or anything. And just to really like glue with that client and create a relationship is really important. And just like little receipts. Sometimes people want receipts. What am I doing? This is strictly my hair bag, and I have another bag that comes off, and I'll usually switch it out and I put my makeup bag here, and I'll carry this on my back because this turns into a backpack. So does my makeup bag, which is awesome. I'll have my masks here, KN95 of course, and I have just a regular one if it gets too hot because those KN95s are pretty thick. I have my heating pad, my little balayage, I forgot what this is called, my little balayage tools. Irons are in here. I have my 2 Marcel irons. I have an inch and a half, and then I have my structure equalizer and my light dimension silk lift. This is for lighteners. So this is like my little color area, which is very easy for me to get to. So that lives in there and stays in there. It makes it really easy and convenient for me to get out, and it will be there since, you know, I switch a lot of my bags out. My capes, I guess you call, my aprons for myself. So that helps protect my clothing. One thing I like to do, which sometimes I forget, I like to wear like jeans or any pants that I don't care to get dirty, because there will be times where I spill things on my pants and I can't do anything about it. I do hear that hairspray takes it out though, and I've tried it and it does work a little bit, but on your favorite pants, not really. And then I have like a little speaker here, a little JBL speaker. This is great for weddings or photo shoots because sometimes it gets quiet and awkward. So just want to have the party going. And inside here today, so I have treatments here. These are all things that live in here. Treatments, and more treatments, and then just like, what is it? Oh, like pigmented conditioner. Just random stuff. Clips here, that's easy accessible. I have my color things here for grays, my gray drops, and then I like to use Aqua 4 to protect the face and around the neck. So I like to use that. I'll fill this up. I have gloves in here. Gloves for coloring, and my nitron, what is this? Nitrolon gloves. I think I used that before for keratin treatments, I believe. I'll bring a little swatch to see their natural color. If they're my usual clients, I usually don't, but this client, this is the second time I'm going to see her, and I didn't expect to see her again. I'm really glad that she came back to me. This time I'm going to see her natural color, jot that down in my notes. She had a photo that she took and sent to me, so I'm going to match it with the closest thing that I see on here, and I'm going to just grab everything at the store. Probably 3N, 4N, and 5N, and just see where she's at. And I could always return it. I usually don't return it because I'll always need these colors, and usually I'll mix it to get their perfect color. So yeah, that's how I usually do it, because it is hard not having the full color line. with you, carrying that around could be a pain. This little bag is my product bag. I usually take that with me for everything, so that basically lives in here. And my brushes. So my brushes, you know what? I'm so glad I went through this because I almost forgot to bring something. Oh my god. My scissors, water sprayer, and shampoo and conditioner. And then the thing that I forgot, oh my god, I almost forgot the most important thing.
Oh my freaking god.
My color bag. This is my gloves, my toner bottle, my mixing bowl, my mixing brushes, my teasing combs, like everything I need for a color. So I'm glad I did this video, guys. Jesus Christ. Up here I have my towels, and I'll use that for color and makeup and such. Oh my gosh, I got this from Amazon, and look, it's like amazing. You could just put it over their head, gather their hair, twist it, and like to the button. It's such a lifesaver. That's basically it. Everything in here is for my touch-up. If it were a highlighting service, it would just be foils and bleach, I believe, and everything else is pretty much the same packed in. So yeah, so that is it. I'm gonna get to my service, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Just kidding, I have to take my ring light with me and turn this off. Okay, bye.